Hi, I am Mrs. Connie Antalanya Magnaye Jamentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Connie Antalanya Magnaye Quezon the First. Myself is copying of Kabit. Ganda. Ganda piging nila oh. Ganyan yung wedding planner namin. Wedding planner namin sa kasal ni Alex. May mga utosan siya. Si Diyos Comadrona. Comadrona tawag doon. Head of maid. Ang ganda kaya nun. Utos-utos. Ay na, no.
Naganda kayo dahil meron tayong sulat. May darating na malaking halaga sa charity.
Lover ko si Alex. 29 ako. Yung mga ganun. Ang edad di ko alam. Next na ako. The person on my ear is copying me. I am saying what my memory to Alex Jr. ko. Of what my memory to Alex Jr. ko about life. Such as bimpo is what Alex Jr. ko uses instead of a scarf. And then polo shirt. And then maong, long sleeve, slacks, black, brown slacks, no, gray slacks, black only, black, black, and then he does not wear boxer. He has never used boxer when he comes onto bed. Only short and then jogger pants. That is my memory. Jersey as well. He is collector of jersey. And then evening, he bathe. During evening, he starts to bathe 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Never 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Ganun. And then the hour of him sleep is 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock doing something already. What else? On my life, Alex Jr. ko does not nagpupuyat. Bakit? He does not nagpupuyat. Never. Early person siya, morning. Morning is his vibes, not evening. Lampshade. No, I think not lampshade. Light bulb on ceiling. I don't know why. What else do I know to Alex ko? Writing. On table, not on bed. My thinking process is on top of bed. And then, ballpen niya, mamahalin. Mamahalin ballpen niya, nag-iisa only. Ang ganda oh, dress niya. Do I like it? But all I know is you, little witch, are invited to this party. But don't you worry, because dress you like, not maxi dress.
Really? Yes, ako nang bahala sa'yo. 1, 2, 3. It's a reunion. This is so fun. I'm gonna have so much fun with these 3 little
Nilibing niya ako ng buhay. Lily Cruz, why are you wearing green and not gold? What happened to that gold outfit? Ano? Nawala na ba ang kinang ni Lily Cruz? You know what, Amelia? They say gold glitters, but not all that glitters is gold. I am gold. But you
Yun
and
sabi
you,
niya. If she say
sige,
gold, siya gold.
tingnan niyo ang sarili mo. Diba? Mga tanso. I don't even know what tanso is. You shut up. In all fairness to you na,
An specific location based on television. Tama. Because that is a television. Ganun yung essence of television.
At ako yun.
Okay.
Well, wala na akong oras para makipag-diskusyon sa isang katulad mo. And you, Emilia?
And myself is DC.
Matapos ka na.
But when they is on,
Dahil hindi
not
ka
on
kita ililibing ng buhay,
television,
kundi
they have
gagawin
their
mo
own
tatlong
life.
impyerno ang buhay mo.
Script that is as well.
For now, maybe. But, in a while, mas gagawin mo impyerno ang buhay mo, Lily Cruz. Matagal mo na ginawang impyerno ang buhay natin. Pero mas nababagay ka doon dahil demonyita ka. There are now 4 witches. 1, 2, 3, 4. The more the merrier. I love it. I love it. This is gonna be so exciting. We're gonna fight. Bring your hair. And why are you laughing, huh? Akala mo ba hindi ko alam kung ba't ka nandito? Andito ka naman para magbigay sa asawa ko, di ba? That's so last month. I moved on. Nabigyan ko ng lahat ng kailangan kong bigayin sa asawa mo. I mean, information that is. So, now, who can my new flavor of the month be? Or should I address that to you? Want to take a guess, Lily Cruz? Take a wild guess. Who cares?
Sa tuwing kailan that dress of Maha, the one, tuwing kailan, ano, theater,
Lily Cruz.
why should I know? Because I said it. Mukha niya, Maha Salvador looks like Leonor Rivera.
Nalikuran niyo akong dalawa. I don't really care. Kasi hindi niyo naman talaga ako kaya. Lalo ka na. Because you're a sore loser, Emilia. Loser. Really? Yes. Girls, pwedeng pakilabas na to eskandalosong babae na to? At i-good-job niyo na yan. What? Yes, kill her. You're such a loser, Emilia. I'll see you now. Take care. I love it.
Ganda, orange color.
May I request everyone to please settle down?
Why am I? Indoor is copying me. Oh, not indoor. But Alex ko. Lang ko.
Hi, Lily Cruz, my favorite anniversary. How are you?
Shoe, maingat siya sa shoe. Same on myself. How do I know? he wears shoe in school. And then that shoe is been wear of my baby boy at Europa. Ganun siya kaingat sa shoe. Ano na nangyayari sa kanya ngayon? I don't know. White that is, color white. Even the color white is consistent when it comes into color whitish. Ano na nangyari sa Alex ko? I don't know. What else do I know? Watch. Collection of watch. He is. That is what he is. Something.
Thank you all very much for coming. Thank you very
Feeling
much.
high.
I would especially like to thank Lily Cruz
Watch.
for coming this evening and supporting this
Oh,
event.
watch.
Thank you, Lily. Marami sa inyo nagtataka at nagtatanong kung bakit sa dinami-dami ng
Why he is copying of what is trending?
Marami sa inyo hindi
Does he on trending?
marami
Not
ang
on
nakakita
trending.
dito.
It
Kaya
is
dito
the
ko
basis
ibibigay
is talking about the watch. So he has a person that
is my home.
he talks with about
Because my
watch.
family lives
Watch, Relo, please watch.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Damn it,
I would like to introduce
is
to you
there a person he talks with? That person is on Life of Alex Ko. I am now on the left side when I talk.
Emilia Atiente Torillo.
It is 12 feet lang. I thought I just drinking milk at the moment. What else could I say about Alex Ko? T-shirt. 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 What he wears? T-shirt. Macho. Matamtaman only. Tamtaman. Such as, if it is such this, it is, wait lang. Something such that. I have no muscle on arm. I have muscle but it is not built. T-shirt. T-shirt. Junio says, James Carl Junio says, bench is cloth of Alex Ko. But what I think of when it is pambahay, random. If it is has, akin lang utak ko. If it is has, the person that talks on my ear copying me. Is copying me. Bastos, kinsawa ko. If it is pang-alis, collection.
Para sa poblasyon ng Tiente.
Hey! Yung milk ko! Collection, wait lang. Pang-alis. What is on myself? Uniform. Polo shirt, uniform. Pang-alis. know. Pang-alis. Polo shirt is only what I know. That has Coelho. That is what he wears. I am the person that doing laundry. I like it. That is as well form of exercise, laundrying. I tends to play with water.
Sing Helena Montoya.
Ay, syempre
That's me. Magkapit-pisip tayo. Together we can
Now 15 minutes and 54 seconds. It will end sooner.
Now I know kung bakit gusto niyang tumingin sa akin.
Sing sing. Sing sing.
Always